From Great Taste of Las Vegas, today we're going to make some Chantilly Cream Waffle Bowl. Okay, we will put half cup of sugar. And then we will whip them with 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese, a quarter cup of splash of milk, and then we'll whip the mascarpone cheese until it's fluffy. Okay, next we're going to add whipped topping. We're going to use about half of these contain. Whip it slowly into it to combine. So now we make a cream already. What we do now is we're going to get a cake bowl from the supermarket, the waffle bowl. It comes like this. And you have these waffle bowl ready to go. So you just put these waffle out like that.
Waffle?
The waffle bowl, yeah. We put waffle bowl. To make it interesting, we're going to put in vanilla waffle. We put them at the bottom of each of the cups. Then we will scoop the Chantilly cream out. I have always wanted to make an easiest way to make Chantilly cream. After that, I'm going to we put this crumb on top. A little Ovaltine. Half these on top. Pineapple. And then we'll top it with banana too as well. The Chantilly Cream Waffle Bowl is ready for consuming. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, hope you're happy and healthy.